The Tata Harrier always had the looks, but not the features buyers really wanted. In 2025, Tata Motors seems to have listened and launched a massive facelift that changes almost everything. But here's the big question. Is this finally the year Harrier beats the Creta, Compass, and Scorpio N? The Harrier has always been Tata's flagship SUV, built tough, designed bold, and loaded with character. Now, it comes with sharper styling, smarter technology, and one of the safest cabins in its class. But is it truly worth the higher price? Let's find out. Visually, the 2025 Harrier looks more muscular and premium. The connected LED DRLs stretch across the front. The grille design is bolder, and the new alloy wheels give it a modern stance. Even from the rear, the LED tail light strip adds a futuristic touch. If design and presence matter to you, the Harrier stands tall among all mid-size SUVs, easily turning heads wherever it goes. But the biggest transformation is inside. Tata has gone all in with technology this time. You now get ADAS level 2 features, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. The cabin feels premium with soft touch materials, a massive 12.3-inch infotainment system, a 10.25-inch digital driver display, ventilated seats, panoramic sunroof, wireless charging, and a fantastic 10-speaker JBL audio setup. Basically, all the modern features that buyers have been demanding are finally here. Under the hood, the same 2.0-liter Cryotech diesel engine continues to power the Harrier. It produces 170 brake horsepower and 350 Nm of torque. You can choose between a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic gearbox. The drive feels confident, stable, and solid, especially on highways. Yes, the steering is slightly heavy in city traffic, but once you're cruising, it feels rock steady and composed. Just what you want from a big SUV. The 2025 Harrier starts at around 14 lakh rupees ex-showroom and goes all the way up to nearly 24 lakh for the top variant. That's a jump from the older model, but you're also getting features that make it compete directly. With premium SUVs like the Jeep Compass, Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos, and even Mahindra XUV700. When it comes to safety, Tata continues to lead. The Harrier diesel scored a full 5-star Bharat NCAP rating, 30.08 out of 32 for adult protection, and 44.54 out of 49 for child safety. That's among the highest in the segment, giving you confidence every time you hit the road. Positives: stunning design, premium features, solid build quality, and highway comfort. Negatives: no petrol engine option, slightly heavy steering in city driving, and a higher price tag. So, what do you think? If both cost the same, would you choose the Harrier over the Creta? Tell me your pick in the comments below. I'll be reading them all. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this honest review, hit like and subscribe. Because next, we're comparing the Harrier with its big brother, the Tata Safari 2025. That's going to be one exciting battle you don't want to miss. Prices mentioned are approximate and may vary by state, insurance, and GST update.